Y'all recognize this camera angle, don't you? It's raining. Alright guys, yeah, it's been raining off and on all day. I thought I was going to get a break here, but just as soon as I got the camera set up, it started raining again, so I had to move everything around. So, here we are guys, welcome back. I tell you what, we're back out on the griddle. It's going so well out here, and I'm enjoying learning this thing. So I'm going to cook you some steaks. They're not big fancy steaks, but I caught them on sale. There's some top sirloins, and I also got some asparagus we're going to throw on here on the griddle and get her cooked up and see if I can learn something else on here, guys. Let's get busy. Alright guys, Mama's already cut and seasoned our asparagus back here. She's just got some olive oil and some of this Canadian steak seasoning. Canadian steak seasoning. And I'm just gonna put some of that on the steaks as well. These are just little petite sirloins. Got a halfway decent deal on them. I don't know about where you are, but steaks right now are outrageous. Beef in general is. One of these days I'm gonna bring you some nice ribeyes, which is my favorite cut. We just mainly trying to learn how to use this grill right now. All right guys, I'm gonna get that grill fired up. We'll get outside and get this thing going. Alright guys, we're going to set this for about a medium and low for the veggies. We'll come back in a bit and crank it up for the steaks. I know this lighting is not good, but yeah, you know what? Let's just see what we can do here. For that goodness. These around a little bit. We're gonna get some steaming action. You get back up here. There we go. Get a little steaming action going on. Throw our lid on here. This is going all the way down. We're gonna kick this one up, and we're just gonna scoop this stuff over. Want to keep it warm. We're going to get some steaks rolling here in just a second. That asparagus looks awesome, guys. Awesome. Clean off this side. It is showtime here, guys. I'm running about 420, 430 degrees on this one side with only one burner. I'm impressed. A little olive oil down here. And let's throw down. Would you look at that? That's sizzle. We're good. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the asparagus off. Go inside and get it covered up. Oh, that smells awesome, guys. See if these guys are ready. Wish there's a little bit more char there. It's alright. We call it a learning thing here. Alright guys, let's get these things inside and see what we got. All right, guys, I'm not calling this my master work here, so let's just hope it tastes good. That awesome asparagus. That smells awesome, I tell you that. Let's at least cut into this bad boy. See what we got. Yeah, I went a little too long on it. I'm a little bit more of a medium well here. Little pink, but not much. I'm blaming this on me, guys. All right, guys, let's at least taste this. The flavor is there, guys. I got a little bit too done. I'm calling that a rookie mistake on the griddle. I know I got some griddle guys out there following me, so guys, tell me what I did wrong. Too much oil? I'm new to the griddle. You guys know that, so help me out down in the comments, guys. Tell me what I did wrong. Let me try a piece of this asparagus here. Nailed that. Love asparagus with steak, guys. Guys, thanks so much. Another, I say rainy day, the sun that's there shining right now. I'm looking at the window. It's awesome. That's okay, guys. I love doing this. I love playing with this new griddle. And again, you griddle guys, tell me where I did wrong on that. You watch me do this. So, tastes good. I got the flavor. It's all there. So, guys, thanks so much. You mean the world to me. We will be back next time. I don't know if we're doing a griddle cook next or what. We'll figure that out here in a few days. So, thank you so much. God love you, folks. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.